So then, what's the purge?
Oh, the purge? Well, I mean, once you're dead, we're gonna kill all the new players tomorrow.
By Mata, come on out. Yo, everybody come on out. Come on out. You heard all of that, right? Everybody heard all of that?
It doesn't change anything. You're in worse armor than us, and everyone here, they just can't do anything. What are you gonna do about it?
Look up.
You pieces of garbage!